Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be filming a little get ready with me. This is actually like an ultra chatty get ready with me, I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of all over the place. But today I'm gonna be using some new products. I'm gonna be using the KKWXMario palette, this one. I'm gonna be talking about the event because I went to that event. I'm gonna talk to you guys all about the foster dogs and where everybody ended up and just that whole experience and things that are coming up in the next month. That's what I'm gonna be doing today, so let's go ahead and get started. Always have to do a shooter after I say that, or else it just doesn't feel right. I just downloaded the Canon app that shows me what I'm recording. It's that way I can film by myself. I mean, I love filming with Junes, but sometimes when I'm doing a get ready with me, it can take me a long time. All right, so we're gonna be getting ready today. I'm gonna be using some new products, just kind of chatting it up, just catching up on things basically. The past month has been a little crazy. I'm gonna be using the new KKWXMario palette. This is the one that Kim Kardashian just recently collaborated with Mario on this palette. And I went to the event the other night. It was a very special event. It was really cool. It was like Kim Kardashian was there, Makeup by Mario was there. And I respect both of them a lot. I feel like him and Kim together have been such an iconic team. I'm trying a new eyeshadow base, by the way. I've never tried this one from Makeup Forever. So they had a dinner. It was like a very intimate, like a sit-down dinner, which I thought was really cool. Kim did a speech and Mario did a speech, and they both got emotional talking about each other, and you could just really get a sense of how authentic their relationship was. It was like you could tell they truly seemed so grateful for each other. And I thought that, like, you could see it, you could feel it when they were talking to each other from across the table. So I thought it was really sweet, you know, like she was so excited. She was like, I knew that my first collaboration I wanted to be with Mario, and I thought that was really cool. That night, everybody was wearing a blue eyeshadow look. It was not coincidental. They said everybody wear like your best blue eyeshadow look, which, you know, I was totally here for. Right now I'm just doing it's like too light, but I'm gonna cover it anyway. Just setting the eyeshadow base. I've never used this base before, so. This color looks so pretty. This is like the taupe color that I feel like I've been looking for. So I think I'm gonna go with like a taupe metallic shade type selection, but I'm so happy they put a cobalt blue in the palette. So I was wearing this shade, but my crease color, I was actually wearing a matte cobalt blue, which was from the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm just putting a little bit of this shade in the crease. This will warm it up a little bit more. Oh, I also wanted to talk to you guys about like the foster puppies update. Everybody has been adopted. All the puppies are gone. A lot of people are still asking about the mom, if she got adopted. She was actually the first one to get adopted, but we held on to her for a couple more weeks because she was still nursing a little bit, so she wasn't quite ready to go yet when she got adopted, but she was the first one. You know, so many people, I feel like a lot of people try to make me feel like I already felt bad about it. And some people were like making me feel really guilty for not keeping one, which of course I would love to keep all the puppies, but it's like you can only keep so many dogs, okay? It was such an amazing, rewarding experience. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. After I filmed that video, posted the video about the puppies, like when I first posted it on YouTube, I said like, yeah, I'm gonna keep doing vlogs. No, let me tell you, it got crazy real quick, like right after that. Right after I posted that video was when things got really real. They just started, they turned into puppies, you know? They started getting really rambunctious, wanting to play, being explorers. I was like, whoa, I was a little shook, kind of just standing there like, okay. Definitely a lot of work. I knew it was gonna be a lot of work, but it was a lot of work. So anyway, it was just a crazy week. I felt like life really came at me quickly. So I feel like I kind of disappeared for a full week because it was just so much, there was just a lot going on, and I was sick, and it was just kind of a mess. And then we left for Vietnam, which was like amazing, which I'll talk a little bit more about later. I for sure want to do it again. Like I would love to foster again. Even when we first got them that day, like that they all came over and we were walking like Turbo and the mom, I just felt like warm inside. It's like things that maybe you don't even care about that much just weigh on you more, and it sometimes feels like a lot of pressure. And I feel like when all the dogs were around, it just really grounded me, and it made me just feel genuinely happy. The meeting the families part, so when they were actually getting adopted, I was trying so hard to be like conscious that somebody else was picking up their dog and it's probably such a great day for them, and I'm over there being like really sad and crying. So I was trying to be very conscious of like not making it weird. I was like, I really want this to be a good experience for them, not like basically taking a puppy away from a crying person. But I was very emotional. Like I thought I was gonna be fine, especially then. I was like so overwhelmed with puppy. Like I thought it was gonna feel a lot different, but I was crying like a little baby, you guys, when everybody got adopted. And it was sad. It's like, it's sad, but it's also such a great feeling, you know? So I'm doing this shade right here all over the lid. It's like, it's not super bronzy, which is why I like it. It's not too warm. Now I'm gonna smudge some black liner in the waterline. So I just kind of like, almost stipple it in here. There we go. All right, so I did my mascara off camera, but I'm gonna put on lashes now. Look at these new lashes I got, aren't they cute? These are the Flutter Lashes Cat Eye. Super cute. I love having a lash where you can still see some lid through the lash. This reminds me so much of my wedding makeup, actually. They're so pretty. They're like light and fluffy, but still dramatic, you know? All right, so now I'm gonna move on to foundation. And you know what I've been using? Well, I used it like the past week, but that still counts as I've been using it. I went back to Makeup Forever, the Ultra HD foundation, because I've been wanting to try it again. So I kind of mixed two different shades, so typical of me. Y245 and Y315, a little. Okay, pretty exciting. So pretty soon this month, I am doing a segment with Lowe's, which is super exciting. Basically, like they come in and remodel a room in your house, something that you could tackle in a weekend. And I'm really excited. I'm like a little nervous because it's a surprise. So we do some of the DIY projects together, but I don't see the final result until it's done. So I'm like a little nervous, but I'm super excited. I feel like it's gonna be really fun. So they're coming here and filming it at the house, obviously. Thinking about weekly vlogs. What do you guys think? Doing like weekly vlogs just for some of the stuff that I have coming up, I feel like would be really fun to vlog. So let me know what you guys think. This week, actually, I'm gonna be in Tokyo probably when this video is up, which I am so pumped to go to Tokyo. I was super excited to go to Vietnam. It was beautiful. Everything that I got to see while I was there was just like jaw-dropping beautiful. I finally made myself a packing list. Oh, check it out. I made myself a packing list. My mom couldn't believe how many pages it was. It's like 4 or 5 pages long. But it's like everything, you know? My carry-on, my toiletries, my makeup. Not like the brands of makeup, but it's like, you know, a lot of times I'll be so close to forgetting a setting powder for under my eyes. So stuff like that was things that I have on the list. I should be able to pack so fast now, which I thought I could before, but I still end up taking like a full day packing. So basically it's like just a couple days after we get back from Tokyo is when the Lowe's team comes in. Bake a little bit. You know what I have been using again too is the Kat Von D, the Petal Powder. I totally forgot about that one for a while and then I was like, oh my god. When I get to this point in my makeup, I so badly wish that my brows were done. I wish I could just snap my fingers, or if I could just have my brows permanently done. Do any of you guys have your brows microbladed? I'm not even like thinking about it because the shape that I thought looked super good a couple years ago, I don't really like now, you know? So it's kind of like, I don't know if I could commit to that. It sounds a little scary to me, but I know so many people that did it, like really love it. There we go. Everything feels so much better once I put brows on. So I did my brows off camera, but now I'm just gonna soap them up. You know what I wish? I wish I could take Turbo with me everywhere I travel. I feel like she would really love it, you know? Go explore new places. I don't think Zoe would really enjoy that. She's a little bit more of a homebody, but I feel like Turbs would have so much fun. I'm gonna do up the lower lash line. Use the same 2 matte shades that I used in the palette. I need to get another spray brush, like a brush cleanser, because I used the Sephora one that I've had, but I had it for a long time and it smelled like vinegar. Like, randomly out of nowhere, it just smelled hardcore like vinegar. I was like, oh my god, is this like too old now? What happened? Do you guys mind? I'm actually curious. How do you guys feel like about what people wear when they film makeup videos? Because I feel like a lot of times I spend so much time trying to figure out like what shirt I'm gonna wear. I usually try and just wear whites, that way it doesn't clash with whatever makeup I'm doing. So I'm wondering if it bothers you if people wear something really plain, or you like it when people are more dressed up. On the night of the KKW event, Kim's blue eyeshadow was blended so perfectly. Like, I was just looking at it like, what is going on? Completely 100% seamless, but it also looked like hydrated. I told you I really look at people's eyelids and I'm like, She had some hydrated eyelids, okay? I picked up 2 different eyeliners. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible. This is gray. I was like, let me see, is gray too gray for this? That's pretty good. I feel like I should just use black. I think gray might look a little off. This is Smashbox Fishnet. They're always on gel liner. I love the Smashbox ones. I like the L'Oreal Infallible. A little bit smokier. Kind of goes with the top lash line because we did the black liner. So whenever I do black in the waterline, I still like to set it with a matte black shadow. This is probably my oldest product that I still use to this date. The Urban Decay Blackout Shadow. I think I've had this at least 5 years. This for me makes it like pretty smudge proof, but it also gets a little bit of black shadow in between all the lashes. So there's no like little gaps in there, which is one of the real reasons that I like to set it. I'm gonna brighten with my Manna Kadar powder. Still love this powder. I've been using this for so long. Why am I holding the compact like that? That's weird. Love to brighten the under eyes with this. Okay, I picked up a couple different blushes. This first one is from Jouer, which I haven't tried yet. This is the Adore Blush Duo. And then I also grabbed these from Catrice Cosmetics. These are strobing blushes, which I thought could be kind of pretty. I like that it has different tones in here. So one of these is more pink and one of these is more peach. It's like, I feel like it's so, I just know peach looks better. Like, can I just go with peach? There we go. Damn, that's pigmented. I know it doesn't look like a lot on camera, but it looks like more in person. All right, so now I'm just doing a little bronzer. This is my Nars Laguna. One powder that I have been loving, I'm pretty sure I've already talked about it in a couple of videos, the Makeup Forever Sculpting powder. This one in particular, I just love that color. Sometimes I use it as eyeshadow. S112, which I like to use as a contour color. See this, how it just blends kind of seamlessly right here? Sometimes I use bronzer and it's just like, whoa. The lip I'm gonna do today is the KKWXMario lip. It's called Classic K. This, okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't crazy about this packaging. I feel like it was a little bit clunkier, and it was probably because of the purse that I had that night, but it literally, I was using a clutch and it would not fit in this purse. I just feel like it was a little bit thicker than what I needed it to be, especially depending on what purse I'm carrying. If you carry this in your pocket, it's gonna stick out quite a bit. It's a little bit bulky, but the formula of this lipstick and the color is so pretty. So I'm gonna line my lips. This is 1C. I'm gonna try really hard not to break it because I'm gonna be really upset if I break it right now. This is a really good nude. You know, sometimes nudes come out and they're like myth vibes. I don't know how we ever wore myth, honestly. I'm like wondering if I ever did. I think I tried to, but like I did it knowing it didn't really look that good. You know what I mean? All right, so that is the lipstick by itself. I love this color, look at it. It's got a nice finish, it's creamy, comfortable. And there are 2 lip glosses that came in the collection. One is called Juicy. This one's a little bit more of a pink undertone, and then this one's called So Nude, which looks pretty nude. So let me try this one out. So look at this lip gloss. Loving it. I thought, looking at it in here, that it might be too light putting it on top of this, like it would change the color too much, but it doesn't. I really like this gloss. It's juicy. It's juicy, which I am here for. The mascara that I've been using lately on my lower lashes is from e.l.f. It's the Waterproof Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. It comes in this tube. Hi, Mom! I like the little applicator that it has, especially for doing lower lashes, and it doesn't transfer. I meant to do setting spray before I put my mascara on, but I'm gonna try out this setting spray. This is the Illuminating setting spray from Cover FX. I was like, illuminating? That sounds yummy. Oh. Oh, wow. It's got a really fine mister in it. I could go overboard real easily with this. I can't even feel it. All right, so I went and I put a shirt on for you guys, so that way I felt like I actually got dressed in this video. But that wraps up this Get Ready With Me and all of updates, things, chats, and all of that. Let me know what you guys think about weekly vlogs. Sometimes I feel like I only have to vlog when something super interesting is happening, but like I'm gonna vlog the Lowe's thing, and obviously when I travel I like to vlog, but if you guys wanna see weekly vlogs, let me know. I love the way that this makeup turned out. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with this taupe shade in the palette. This is probably gonna be a go-to for me. This is like the shade that I've been looking for a long time, and I love the lip combination. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Hey you guys! That made me cringe. I need to like kind of get my life together over here. I need to get organized. Hey, John. John! John, come here, please. Ooh. Let me tell you, I just tried to close the lid on this brush.